How to connect Mailchimp to WordPress beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to connect your Mailchimp to your WordPress website. So let's get started. Why we need to connect our Mailchimp to our WordPress, what is Mailchimp and why we should add it? Well, Mailchimp is an email marketing platform that allows you to create email marketing campaigns. We can create automations with it. We can also manage our SMS campaigns. It's a very good platform and all-in-one platform for a business. So if you have a business and you already have Mailchimp, now you have created a website on WordPress and we need to connect these platforms. That's what I will show you today. It's actually really easy to do. You just have to follow the tutorial. So let's get into the process. First of all, you will open up your WordPress website, and I have opened up mine. This is my website and this is our main dashboard. So on WordPress, what we need to do is we just have to add a plugin, which is going to be a Mailchimp plugin. Or we can also go to Mailchimp and add an integration of WordPress. So there are two ways to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. Let's go with WordPress first. I will add a plugin of Mailchimp to my WordPress website. Now keep in mind, you require an account on Mailchimp.com. You can also get one for free. In order to sign up, you can just go to Mailchimp.com and you will land on this website right here. Click on sign up for free, or you can choose a plan of your choice to get started with email marketing platform. Once you log in, this is where you will get, and we have our own Mailchimp. Now I will go to WordPress. In WordPress, scroll down to plugins. In plugins, go to add new. Here we have to search for Mailchimp. So this is our Mailchimp. You can see Mailchimp for WooCommerce. Now Mailchimp is actually really good for a WooCommerce website, or you can add it for a simple website as well. It is compatible with my WordPress version, and you can see it has more than 600,000 active installation. It's a very famous plugin on WordPress. You will click on install now and then click on activate. I have already installed it. That is why it says update. So you will just click on install now and then click on activate. Once the plugin is added, it will be added to your WordPress. You can see success, you are connected to Mailchimp. So what you need to do is, once the plugin is added, you will just log into your Mailchimp account that you have, and it will be added to your WordPress. You can see you are connected to Mailchimp, and now I can actually check my overview. It's showing me all of my different contacts that I created on Mailchimp. It's showing me all of my audiences, all of my logs that I have on Mailchimp. Now it's connected with WordPress. You can see account connected is TSG. This is the account that I have here. Then we have contact information, even my products that I have created, and all of the campaigns that I will be creating on Mailchimp now. It will be added on WordPress. How to create a campaign on Mailchimp? You will not be creating it here. You will just create it on your Mailchimp.com. Like, I can just go to create now and create an email marketing campaign right now. So it will then be added to my WordPress because they're now connected. I have added a plugin of Mailchimp on WordPress. So that's how easy it is to connect your Mailchimp to your WordPress website. You can also finish the setup, and you can also add different products. You can add, different contacts. You can update your contact list and all the information here. You don't need to add anything on WordPress. Keep that in mind because it complicates things. So you can just do your work on Mailchimp and it will automatically be updated on your WordPress website. And so we have added the plugin. Just log in, and that's it. That's how you connect Mailchimp to WordPress. Now there is a second way we can connect Mailchimp to WordPress, and this is going to be through our Mailchimp. First, we added a plugin on WordPress. Now I will add an integration of WordPress on Mailchimp. So it depends on you, whatever way you want to go for. Both of these ways are very easy. Now I will go to Mailchimp.com. This is my main panel. We have integrations. I'm going to click on add new, and it will take me to my Mailchimp apps, where I will be able to find different apps to add to my Mailchimp. Connect apps and integrations. So we can search for our, platform, and I'm going to search for WordPress. So you can see we can add any kind of application, and some of these suggested applications are given here, such as, Stripe, we have WooCommerce and Square. So even if I connect my WooCommerce, I am connecting my WordPress, or we can directly add WordPress too. Let's actually search for WordPress. If WordPress is not available, then we'll just go with WooCommerce. All right, so we have WordPress right here in integration. I'm gonna select it. All right, boost visitor engagement and grow your audience with the Mailchimp blog. And this is how it will work. You have to click on Get Started. It will take you to wordpress.com. It will open up your website if you have one. And then it will take you to the tools. And in tools, you will get your Mailchimp. So this is our main WordPress, and in tools, we are getting Mailchimp because this integration has been added. So we have sign up and connect. I will not sign up because I already have Mailchimp. So I will click on connect. Now it will open up my Mailchimp login for me. I just have to enter my username and password. I have entered my information. Okay, WordPress.com by automatic Mailchimp integration in WordPress. Allow. It will just take a second. And there you go. Mailchimp has been added to my WordPress. You can see now I can just disconnect it if I want, or I can just get started with my Mailchimp. You can see again it's showing me TSG. This is the account that I have on Mailchimp. So I will connect this account. And you can see it says the Mailchimp account was successfully connected. And now I have Mailchimp with WordPress. So you can see this is our second way, and I connected WordPress with Mailchimp through our WordPress integration. And the first way was going to your WordPress and then adding a plugin. So these are the two ways you can connect your Mailchimp email marketing platform with your WordPress. Now I will be able to create surveys. I will be able to create email marketing campaigns, sign up forms really easily using Mailchimp's professional editor and add them to my WordPress website to actually have a professional tone on my website and to grow my business. We can also use different automation tools that we get on Mailchimp. I will be able to grow my email list and grow my business using the integration of Mailchimp and WordPress. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to connect Mailchimp with WordPress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.